IoT. What do you think about IoT? Today I'm gonna explain you what really is IoT. IoT is a system that is called Internet of Things. That means the devices that are connected with internet and you can control them wirelessly without any hassle. So how you can do so? First of all, check out this one. This is my smart light. I can switch it off using my mobile phone. My mobile phone is connected to the Wi-Fi and the device that bulb is also connected to the Wi-Fi. Switched off, switching on, decreasing brightness, decreasing brightness, increasing brightness, changing color, what color you need. I have a millions of color. So that's the way we can control any devices, anything that is called Internet of Things. And as smart assistants like this one is my Alexa, switch off plug. That is done. Alexa, switch on plug. That works flawlessly. It switch on and off. And think about it, if you are in your car, you are using AC, air conditioner, and you have installed a smart AC at your home, you can switch on that device from your car, and whenever you get into your house you will see chilled room. That's the Internet of Things. So what really in it is that you can check out. This one is the smart plug. This is connected to the Wi-Fi and the plug is connected using Wi-Fi to my mobile phone. I can switch off on this plug using my mobile phone. That's it, the system. That is the main thing. So hope you understood. As you can check out, this is the plug. I am clicking on it, and if I want to switch it off, we have to just switch off. That's off. That check out the blue light, and it's on now, and the light is also on because this light is added to this smart plug. So you can do this thing. You can add any device over there, the music system, the geyser, anything you can do, and you will shocked to know that if you say Alexa, switch off plug, that switched off. That is called, that kind of smart home appliance is called Internet of Things. That means IoT. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.